My water heater went and it wasn't viable to get it replaced. It was going to be too expensive. So after years and years of deciding whether or not to put central heating in, I think this was now the time to put central heating in. I've lived in this house nearly 50 years and it's taken me 50 years to make this decision, and I'm so pleased that I've had all these radiators put in. I wanted a heated towel rail in the bathroom, and I've eventually got that. And I've got 3 upstairs in each of the bedrooms. I have a really nice tiny radiator in the bay window, which I thought would always be a problem, and it looks beautiful. They're really stunning. I'm so pleased with it. And lovely hot water, endless hot water, which is for the bathroom, running the bath, plenty of hot water in the kitchen. I'm so pleased with it, and Donovan did a brilliant job and helped me throughout the process.